thank you to Kohl's for sponsoring this video. Hello everyone and welcome back to Hannah's Happy Home. Today's video is going to be my first Christmas Decorate With Me video for 2022. Just like last year, I'll be doing 2 Christmas decorating videos, so today is part 1, and then next week on Tuesday will be part 2, and stay tuned for that second Christmas decorating video next week because I'll be making some Christmas recipes, we'll be doing more decorating, we'll go shopping for Christmas decor, maybe make a Christmas tablescape, and just add even more touches of Christmas and coziness to our home. So I hope that you enjoy these next 2 Christmas Decorate With Me videos. So for today's video, I'm going to start the Christmas decorating and then also just go through all of the decor that I already have on hand, see if there's anything that I want to get when I go shopping next week for maybe some new Christmas decor. The first thing I always get out when I start Christmas decorating is the tree, just getting that fluffed and decorated before I start decorating the rest of the house. And here in a little bit, I am also going to share a few gift ideas. I thought that would be fun to put in this first Christmas decorating video, just sharing a few gift ideas and inspiration. I know that you're probably starting to do your Christmas shopping, and so hopefully this can just give you a couple of ideas. After getting quite a few scratches from these branches, I finally put on the gloves that come with the Christmas tree. You put these on to fluff the tree so that you don't get your hands scratched, and you can fluff a lot faster when you have these on. This is what is so time consuming about setting up the tree, is having to fluff it. So this is definitely what took the longest, and I did just shut off the camera after a while, and I sped most of this up really fast just because it gets boring quickly just watching me fluff the entire tree. Okay, so I got my 2 tubs of Christmas decor out of the storage room, and I'm just going to start working my way through these, just getting things sorted out here on the floor, trying to sort out all of the decorations for the tree. When I pack up everything after Christmas this year, I'm going to try to pack it a little bit more organized in these containers because everything was just mixed together. I had just kind of thrown things in this container. I need to get a couple of small containers to put in this larger container just so everything can be sorted a little bit better. But I honestly can't believe I'm already unpacking all of this Christmas decor again. It seems like I just packed all of this away. This year has flown by so fast, and it may still be a little bit early to be decorating for Christmas, but I usually like to post my Christmas decorating video maybe a little bit before most people would decorate for Christmas. That way it can give you some inspiration and ideas when you go to decorate for Christmas. And I like setting up Christmas a little bit early just so that we can enjoy it a little bit longer. The tree makes the living room so cozy, and it's been pretty cold here lately, and so it just kind of put me in the mood for Christmas decor and Christmas music. first thing I usually always add to the tree is some picks. I've got a bit of a variety here, some faux berries and then also some bead picks. So I just spread these throughout the tree. They added some touches of gold and red to the tree. And then I did go and get my garland and just go ahead and put that over the fireplace here. And then I will continue unpacking Christmas decor, decorating the tree, and then I'll be sharing those gift ideas. Just used blankets to wrap up these large ceramic trees. I'll give you a little closer look at them later. They are one of my favorite pieces of Christmas decor that I have. I got these last year and they are just so beautiful. So I'm gonna take a quick break from decorating. I grabbed my coffee. I'm gonna sit here by the tree and share a couple of gift ideas with you guys. We're about 5.5 weeks away from Christmas, so I thought maybe it would be helpful if I just sat down and shared a couple of quick gift ideas. I already did check quite a few gifts off my list, just trying to get that done a little bit early this year. And some of the gifts that I ordered are from Kohl's, and then also all of the gift ideas I got to share with you guys are from Kohl's, and Kohl's is sponsoring today's video, so a big thank you to them. They have got gifts for everybody on your list. Such a good selection over there, and I really love that they have a tab with holiday gift guides, so you can click on that and just scroll through all of their gift ideas. You can click on gifts for men, gifts for women, for kids, everything like that. Okay, so I've got a variety of different gift ideas here, and I'll start off with the biggest and most expensive gift idea that I got, and that is this crock pot slow cooker from Kohl's. If somebody on your list is needing a new crock pot, definitely check this one out because it's so beautiful and stylish looking. I use my crock pot constantly, so I am super excited for this one. I was needing a new one, and it is gonna look so beautiful that I might just leave it on my countertop all of the time. And while we're on the subject of kitchen items, this KitchenAid food chopper from Kohl's would make a great gift. Not only does everybody need a food chopper in their kitchen, but this food chopper comes in so many different cute colors. So whoever you're gifting it to, you can just pick out their favorite color. It just makes it a little bit more of a unique gift. The next gift idea my husband picked out, he said this would make an awesome gift. It is a JBL Flip 5 speaker, and he said these are the best Bluetooth speakers in his opinion. These also come in quite a few different colors. We picked out the gray color. Everybody can always use a Bluetooth speaker. They make a great gift. Next gift idea is a cutting board. You can never have too many unique, beautiful cutting boards. I love the color of this one and the shape and everything. So a couple of ideas for this. You could either gift it as is, or you could add a couple of items on top of here and tie it with a beautiful Christmas ribbon. So you could do some pretty kitchen towels, maybe some beautiful wooden spoons, different things like that, and then tie it all up with a ribbon. Or you could go with a charcuterie board theme and do like some little knives and spoons that they could use on the charcuterie board, maybe some different meats and things like that that you could put on top of here and wrap it all up. The next idea is a bit of a basic one, but you could just gift a new set of towels. These are organic towels from Kohl's. They come in a couple of different colors, very soft, and they already come wrapped up in a bow. Everybody can always use a new set of towels for their bathroom, and you could make this a little bit extra by putting it in a beautiful basket that they could use in their bathroom, and then also in that basket you could put some bath salts, candles, a new robe, different things like that that they could use in their bathroom. Next idea is a plush blanket, and it is so incredibly soft. You can never go wrong with just a new cozy blanket. Everybody loves cozy blankets. You can never have too many of them, and it's the Cuddle Duds brand. They've got a bunch of different patterns of these. So you can pick out a cute pattern. You can even put this in a basket as well, just like I said with the towels. Get a cute basket, put this in there with maybe some new slippers, a candle, just different cozy things like that. And you can never go wrong with a candle as a gift either. This will go great with the cozy blanket. The scent of this one is clementine and berries. If you want to try out a good smelling candle, give this one a try. I cannot stop smelling it. Talking about gift baskets, I love making gift baskets and giving them as gifts. Just getting a cute basket, picking a theme, and filling it with those items. I got this small Sonoma basket from Kohl's. They have 3 different sizes of these. These are just a perfect basket for making those gift baskets, and you can get the size just depending on what the gifts are that you're going to be putting inside of it. Just pick a theme you know the person would like and go with it. For this little one, you could do a coffee themed basket. So put some Christmas tissue paper in here, a big bow on the front, and then fill it with like some unique bags of coffee beans, a little new coffee mug, some cookies, little spoons they could stir their coffee with, or movie night themed game night. Put some new games in here with like some popcorn seasoning, snacks. Just so many different ideas for this. They're really fun to make and also really fun to receive. And talking about games, games always make a great gift, and Mancala is one of our favorite games. It's a really neat wooden game, a 2-person game that my husband and I play all the time. It's really fun and it just makes a great little gift. Before we get back to decorating, I'm just going to show you a couple of the gifts that I got for the boys from Kohl's. Here's the Lego sets that we got them. Kohl's has got such a huge selection of Legos. Some Lego sets that I've never even seen before. They just have such a good variety, so definitely go and check them out if you are going to be getting some Lego sets for your kids. And it's usually always best to order them online because they sell out quickly in stores. So for the boys' gifts, we always do some toys, of course, and then like something they can read, something they can color, something they can wear, different things like that. And usually for something they can wear, I do matching pajamas for the boys. They already have pajamas this year, so I'm not going to do that. Instead, I got them matching sweatshirts. How cute are these? And they are so soft. They say Cozy Crew. This little 12-month one for Levi is so cute. And then I got the 8-year-old one for Kyle, and then I'm still waiting for Owen's to come in the mail. The brand is Little Co by Lauren Conrad from Kohl's, and I just can't wait to have all the boys matching in these cute little sweatshirts. That got longer than it was supposed to, but it was really fun showing you guys all of these gift ideas. Hopefully it gave you some ideas and inspiration for your Christmas shopping. All the links for these items will be down below. Be sure you go and check out Kohl's for gift ideas. Thank you to Kohl's for sponsoring this video. The tree is decorated and it's nothing too fancy. I just put my ornaments on there. I always like to add pine cones and little sticks and Christmas balls, different things like that. And I did save out a couple of ornaments for the boys to add to the tree when they got home. And usually every year we always get a box of candy canes and they add all of those to the tree. And then this year I also want to pop some popcorn and have them help me string popcorn onto the tree. I wanted to do that last year, but I never got around to doing it. So I'll probably do that with them a little bit closer to Christmas time. So now I'm getting the stockings hung up on the mantle. We've got 5 of these fuzzy stockings and then the matte black stocking hooks that I just put there on top of the mantle. And there still is more decor that I want to add here. I have some canvases I want to put above the mantle and everything, but we'll add that in the next video. I'm not quite sure exactly what I'll be doing there yet, but we will do that in the next video. And I'm not sure if I'm going to keep these little trees beside the fireplace. I'll definitely keep at least one of them, but I might do something a little bit different instead of the second one. As you saw, this piano desperately needed to be dusted, so I cleared everything off of there, dusted the piano, and now I'm going to add a bit of decor up here. I added these ceramic trees on the left side and then my nativity set that I've been setting up every year for the last probably almost 9 years now. I do still maybe want to add some greenery and lights up here, so we'll probably do that in the next video. Okay, so that is where I'm going to end this first Christmas decorating video. I hope that you enjoyed it and that it gave you some Christmas inspiration. Stay tuned for my second Christmas decorating video next week on Tuesday. We'll do a little bit more of a variety of things in that video, some cooking and shopping and decorating, different things like that, so stay tuned. And thank you all so much for watching, and also a big thank you to Kohl's for sponsoring this video, and I will see you all in a couple days with a new video. Bye!